In this video, I will guide you on how to use coupons on SHEIN app. First, launch open the SHEIN app on your phone. Now, you want to browse the shop and select the items you want to buy. Then, tap on Add to Cart for each item. Once finished shopping, tap on the cart icon. Now, review the items in your cart. Then, tap on Checkout. On the order confirmation page, select your shipping address, choose a shipping method, enter your payment details. Now find the option of coupons or vouchers. Here you simply want to tap on the apply voucher or coupon option. Now go ahead and enter your coupon code. Once you have entered the valid coupon code, tap on the apply option. Then you want to check the discount has been added to your order in the total section. Now you want to complete your order after confirming the discount was successfully applied. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.